Napoleon Hill writes about the importance of pursuing one objective or goal. So how key is this in the view of success? And I'm curious how this stands the test of time, given that we are in so much in the gig economy where a lot of people have a lot of different freelance things or they're pursuing different avenues. Does that still stand the test of time?
Oh yeah, more so today. Because the people who have that vision and have that drive to do that one thing and that one thing best, you can count them here. And they know what they want to do. They're driven to do it. They wake up in the morning and they spend every minute at it. And in today's world, unfortunately, there are so many distractions that it's tempting. You know, the sirens are always out there. Not in New York City sirens. I'm talking about the ones with the rocks.
Right.
You know, okay. Because in New York City, other sirens are prevalent.
True.
But the challenge that a person has right now is to take their hustle. Many people have side hustles. Like they're in MLM, but they have a job on an everyday basis. Figure out which one it is, dude, and go for it with all your might. Otherwise, you take 50% of your energy and you divert it. And you can't, you'll get there half-fast. Because I don't want to say half-assed, it's not the right thing to say. But you get there in a manner that takes longer and is more frustrating than if you would just take the risk. But most people cannot afford to take that risk. They have a mortgage or kids or college tuition or whatever it is, and they say, I can't, and can't means won't. I won't do that. So
is it changed the dynamic of industry, just because there used to be a time where you would go and work for IBM or GE and be there 50 years and you could rely on that, and that's over too. So does that play into this too? People are worried that maybe if I get to a certain age,
they're not worried, they're greedy. They're hungry for, everyone sees everyone else's stuff. You know, like, hey, where'd you get that? Yeah, I want to get one of those too. And you'll see lines forming at pocketbook stores or at the
Apple store.
At Apple, yeah, I love that. I love those lines. They're around the corner. And I think it's wonderful for our society to be able to have created those kind of memes where people actually really want to have that. So the challenge is, can you do what you want to do for yourself and afford to be able to get those things? Or do you have to go on the payment plan?